Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most useful and innovative Excel tools available. I'm excited to introduce something that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. The Pharmacy Locator Software, built right inside Excel. This powerful and easy-to-use Excel-based tool helps you quickly find the nearest pharmacies for multiple addresses, all within the familiar environment of a spreadsheet. No more flipping between tabs, no more manual searches, no more copying and pasting from Google Maps. Everything happens right here in Excel. For anyone new to our tools, we've been developing Excel-based solutions for over 16 years, with a focus on automation, logistics, and location-based services. With over 7,500 satisfied clients worldwide, from small businesses to large organizations, we're proud to have made a real impact. Every week, we hear from users who tell us how much time our tools have saved them. And with over 140 five-star reviews on Google, we know our solutions are helping people simplify complicated tasks and bring powerful automation into their everyday workflows. The Pharmacy Locator software works by integrating directly with the Google Maps API. You'll need an API key to get started, but don't worry, we've got you covered. You'll find a step-by-step video guide in the description to walk you through the setup in just a few minutes. Once your API keys pasted into the tool, all you have to do is enter or paste your list of addresses into the tool and click Find Nearest Pharmacies. The tool will automatically search for pharmacies near each address and return details like the pharmacy name, full address, and distance from the original location. Plus, you can switch between miles and kilometers right from the Settings tab to match your preferences. It's fast, it's simple, and it's incredibly efficient. To download the Pharmacy Locator software, just click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions or need help getting set up, our contact information's right there too. And yes, we actually answer the phone. You can also reach out by email or connect with us through live chat on our website, where you'll be talking directly to Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators, not a bot. Thanks so much for watching. If this sounds like the tool you've been searching for, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest releases. See you next time, and happy locating.